Ako pa rin po, Mariel Rodriguez Padilla.
Thank you so much, Tito Boy.
And thank you for being part of my birthday week.
I'm so happy to be here.
Ito, we're now in the world of social media. Bakit minsan pumapatol ka sa bashers mo?
One, siguro, Tito Boy, it really depends, Tito Boy. Sometimes may trigger talaga eh. Natitrigger ka, or sometimes tao ka din, may feelings ka din. Alam mo,
nasa mood, no?
Yes, Tito Boy, exactly. Nasa mood. Para sandali, patulang ko nga to Alam mo yun, may ganun. And usually, pag ako, dahil sanay naman tayo, Tito Boy, isa siguro dun sa changes na sinasabi mo. You asked me, once when we entered the public service, ano yung changes? Mas naging more. Parang kung nasa showbiz tayo nun, di ba, nasa magnifying glass.
That's what I meant.
Ngayon, naka-zoom in na talaga sa'yo. Talagang, kada ano mo lang na hindi naman siya talaga big deal. Oh my God! Headline! Alam mo yon? So...
Kasi you're now talking about a different kind of public accountability.
Yes,
Iba na ang politika, government service,
so
diba?
Sobrang, you have to be so like 100 times more careful. Yung normal lang naman sa'yo na wala ka naman talagang ano ngayon, hindi mo pwedeng basta normal na lang.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I feel that when it's Robin, lalo na when they say things to my kids. Yon talaga, parang gusto ko talagang, alam mo yung gusto mong pumunta sa NBI tapos mag-eksena, mag-skandalo ka doon, yung ganong level. Pero I also learned, Tito Boy, na sometimes, kahit ano pang sabi mo, meron na silang perception of you. Hindi na magbabago yun.
Thank you for saying that.
Yun na talaga yun. So whether or not tama ka, mali ka, okay yung ginawa mo, wala na dahil ang nasa isip na nila, ganun ka.
Pero doon tayo sa aking tanong. Halimbawa, nakita mo na ang kaibigan natin, ang kaibigan mo, ay merong kasamang iba. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Hindi lang kasama. Sa iyong isipan talaga may affair, halimbawa. Would you tell your friend?
There are many circumstances, di ba? Case-to-case basis yan eh. Una, nakita mo sila sa restaurant, kunwari. Kung nakita mo sila, Tito Boy, na naghahalikan, di ba? Ako, I take a picture, and maybe I might tell my friend. Alam mo yon? But I need to have proof that there's an actual affair. You know? It cannot be na sinira ko lang yung mind nila, I just tainted their marriage, but I have no proof. I need that proof. Or I would really think hard, Tito Boy, because lalo na kung my kids involved, do you want to taint something na hindi ka naman sure? Diba? Kasi like for me, if it were me, of course I would like to know. Of course I would want you to tell me, my friends to tell me.
You would expect your friend to tell you.
I would expect my friends to tell me. But you cannot tell me na wala kang proof. I need that proof. And I feel that my friend deserves a proof also. Hindi pwede na ganun lang. So, yeah.